Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Taylor and in this video we are going to learn about investment strategy of the small cap investing. Let's start with the small cap investing. The term small cap describes companies with a relatively small market capitalization. A company's market capitalization is the market value of its outstanding shares. The definition for small cap varies but generally means a company with 300 million to 2 billion in market capitalization. Now understanding small cap. The cap in small cap refers to capitalization. The term in its entirety though is market capitalization. This is the market's estimate of the total dollar value of a company's outstanding shares. To calculate a company's market capitalization, multiply its current share price by the number of outstanding shares or the number of shares the company has issued to the market. Now let's understand what are small cap stocks. Small cap stocks or small cap equity are stocks of small cap companies that are publicly traded in a stock exchange. Now let's talk about feature of small cap stocks. Investors looking to invest in the stocks of small caps should be aware of the following features of the stocks. The first one is volatility. The value of stocks of small caps is greatly influenced by fluctuations in the market, which makes the stocks highly volatile. Hence, small cap stocks tend to perform well during market uptrends and underperform when the market struggles. The second one is risk. Since the stocks of small caps are prone to market fluctuations, they tend to be affected more during the times when the market is hit, such as during recession, and take time to recover from them. Such market behavior makes the investment in small caps higher risk. Now the third one is return on investments. The value of shares of small caps are relatively small but can increase 2 or 3-fold quite rapidly. They can potentially become multi-baggers and yield more than 100% returns. Now the fourth one is cost of the investment. In addition to the cost of acquiring the shares of small caps, many funds charge an annual fee known as the expense ratio to manage the fund. Investors that can find funds that invest in small cap stocks with the lowest expense ratio tend to generate higher returns. Now let's talk about reasons to invest in small cap stocks. Benefiting from the growth potential of the small cap companies, availing quality stocks at lower prices, owing to the inefficiencies of the market, opportunity to avail small cap shares at fair prices which are not influenced by large financial institutions. Thank you.